Hey guys, Animal Man 4453 here, and today I'm gonna talk about some animals in this 1 minute long episode of my new series called Animal. I'm gonna talk about elephant because I will think they are real cute with the gray ears they have, because when I talk to them they can hear what I say because they have so big ear, and it just, if I say, hey you elephant, look here, they will just look at me because they can hear me. If I said it to someone, little girl, they would not hear because they have a small ear. So that's the positive thing about elephant in today's episode. Next episode I will talk about monkeys and the good positive thing about them. So have a good Animal Man 4453 out.